Y'all, today we're gonna make a little smoked queso, but we're gonna add a little carne asada into it. So it's gonna be a steak queso, perfect for them chips. Easy recipe. We're gonna do it on our wood fire grill. Gonna give it plenty of that smoking pecan smoke, and I'll show you those pellets when we get outside. Guys, let's go ahead, set this bad boy up, right? Get it ready. Basically, this is a one-pan dish. Dump everything into it, get it out, get that good smoke. We're going with a little velveeta. We got some of that good cheddar, freshly grated. And we got some Oaxacan cheese. It's a nice, think of it as Mexican mozzarella. Now we're gonna go in with a little Rotel. This is gonna be a special smoked queso. Going with our carne asada in there. Woo, steaming hot, just chopped up. So good. We're gonna add a little of my West Coast shake in there. Guys, this is my own personal barbecue rub. Can't go wrong with it. All the flavors of the West Coast. Everything you want in your queso dip. Good stuff, y'all. Y'all, we're out back. Let's get this thing fired up. We loaded it up with them smoking pecan pellets. Guys, these pellets, I dig them in the wood fire especially because one little scoopful lasts you over an hour. That good, clean, sweet smelling smoke, right? And it's gonna go great with this smoked queso, okay? So if you guys wanna get some, I'll put a link down below. Video isn't sponsored, just, you know, I dig my smoking pecan, guys, right? Tell them that CJ sent you in the comments. Let them know that CJ sending them love, right? Let them know that my followers are sending them love. But guys, let's get this thing fired up. I can't wait. Let's go. Now we have an 8x8 dish. This is one I use on my smoker, so I don't worry about it getting, you know, too dirty or whatever. It's not one of Mrs. CJ's. The 8x8 fits on the original wood fire grill. It also obviously fits on the XL. The 8x8 throwaway tins work great too. So if you want to use those, go ahead. This is, like I said, what I use for my outdoor smoking and baking. Okay, we got our grill plate in there, our smoking pecan pellets in. I'm gonna go to the smoker setting. I want the temp to be 300 degrees. I have a default of 3 hours. That'll be plenty. This shouldn't take more than an hour. So hit start, let it go through the ignition process, and then we'll add our queso in. Woo, smoky. You know that good smoking pecan pellets are going. Put your queso in, shut it down. Let's take a look in about a half hour or so. Half hour in, time to give this all a mix. Start getting it combining. Break up that velveeta in the middle. There you go, guys, we're getting creamy. Uh-oh. If you spill, you spill. Don't worry about it. Dude, I am just making a huge mess of this. Take your time. When you're doing it, you're not filming, I'm assuming, so you don't have to worry about hurrying through the process. I've literally spilled all four corners. And we'll continue to do so, it looks like. Got nice and creamy in there, looking good. That velveeta is pretty much broken down and melted into everything. Okay, we're gonna shut this down and give it another half hour. We'll come check on it. It's been about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and open it up, give it one last quick mix, and then pull it on out. We're gonna head back in the house and we'll give it a try. Grilled up some flour tortillas in there that we'll use to dip and scoop and feed the face, baby, right? All right, let's get over there, take a look. Our queso is all done. It's looking good, looking creamy. And don't worry about having to clean the dish. It just is what it is, baby. It's gonna be dirty. It's nice and creamy, looking good. Got those good chunks of carne asada in there. What do you say we get it inside and take a bite? Look at that steamy, creamy goodness. Those beautiful chunks of carne asada. Guys, you know that's money in the bank right there. Let's give it a try. We're using little taco-sized flour tortillas. That's a bite right there, what do you say? All right, y'all, let's take a little bite right here. You can see a nice piece of that carne asada right on top. You know it's good. Ain't nothing wrong with any of that right there. Smoky, got a nice spice, a little bit of heat from my West Coast shake. Link down below. Guys, this is amazing, perfect, love it, need it, want it. Have it for your game day, your Saturday picnic, your 4th of July party, whatever you're gonna do, right? Ingredients and prep will be down below in the video description too, all right? If you wanna get one of these Woodfire grills, I'll have links down below for that too. If you wanna get any of my Woodfire cookbooks, they're $5 a piece, they're downloadable, they're e-cookbooks. If you wanna bundle them all up for 15 bucks, save you $5, links are all down below for those too. I highly suggest you guys try those Smokin Pecan pellets for your Woodfire grill. And again, if you buy them off their site, throw in the comments that you came from CJ's channel. Tell them I sent you, all right? If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that are gonna run out, buy everything they need for this queso dip. Yeah, that sounds right. There are 2 ways to join up. Either hit our Patreon link in the video description or that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.